In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear Google Maps search history logs. First, open Google Maps on your computer and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Next, click the menu button in the top left corner of the screen to open the navigation panel. From a menu, select Maps Activity. This will open a page showing your Google Maps searches and activity history. To remove specific searches, find the activity you want to delete and click the X or Delete option next to it. If you'd like to clear all of your Google Maps history, click Delete and choose All Time, then confirm your selection. Keep in mind that Google Maps search history is only saved if Web and App Activity is turned on for your Google account. If Web and App Activity is turned off, your searches generally aren't being saved to your account history, so there may be little or nothing to delete. You can also set up Auto Delete to automatically remove Maps activity after a selected period. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your Google Maps search history logs. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.